Why does your scanner show the P0503 engine code? What does it mean? P0503 is a diagnostic trouble code for vehicle speed sensor A, intermittent or erratic or high. It indicates that the signal from the sensor is intermittent, erratic, or too high, often resulting in an inaccurate speedometer reading. Under this circumstance, short-distance driving is permitted, but your vehicle should be repaired as soon as possible. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Faulty vehicle speed sensor. Wiring issues. ABS module issues. Defective instrument cluster. Incorrect tire or wheel size. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error occurs in OBD2 equipped vehicles, especially those manufactured since 1996. It is commonly found in Ford, Toyota, Nissan, Honda, BMW, Harley, and Chevrolet. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.